In the video today, I'll be taking a closer look at the OdinLake L1 Ergonomic Chair and comparing it to the Hbada P3 Pro, because not all ergonomic chairs are created equal. Let's get into it. Here's a quick breakdown of the OdinLake L1 chair. It has a great lumbar support system that adapts to every movement and is tailored to naturally align with your spine's curve. The seat and back are lined with a breathable mesh material that's very durable and comfortable. And when it's time to make adjustments, you won't find any of those outdated levers. The L1 has replaced that technology with their wire control mechanism, which allows for effortless and precise chair customization without the need to bend or reach awkwardly. You can also easily adjust the height of the back of the chair, and you can adjust the depth of the seat for better ergonomic support and comfort. Next, let's put the OdinLake L1 next to the Hbada P3 Pro so we can see how they compare. Let's start with the headrest as our first category. So first, let's talk about the size of the headrest. So if you look at the L1, it is wider by about 2 inches and it's taller by about 1 inch. On the L1, you can also adjust the height and you can adjust the tilt. There are 3 different positions you can tilt to. Now on the P3 Pro, you can also adjust the height, and with the tilt, you actually have a little extra mobility. You can tilt all the way up and set it at any position in between up and down. Category number 2 is going to be seat cushion. Now on the P3 Pro, it has a squared cushion. It feels like a really firm yet soft pillow, which was great at first, but you've got to be careful because it will begin to wear and lose some of that firmness over time. Whereas the L1 has a soft and breathable Korean mesh seat to keep you cool and comfortable all day. Plus, you can adjust the depth if you need more hip room. Category number 3 is going to be the armrest. They are pretty similar. They both will adjust up and down, and they both will allow you to rotate left, right, and forward and backwards. But the big standout here is with the L1, the actual platform of the armrest is much thicker and longer. So there's just more overall platform space for your arms to rest and less worry about them slipping off. Category number 4 is going to be adjustments. The P3 Pro has a traditional lever system. It has one lever for controlling the height and another for controlling the tilt. It can tilt up to 135 degrees. Now on the L1, the adjustments are controlled a little differently. They don't have levers. Instead, they have easy to reach latches that will control the height, the depth of the seat, and the tilt function, and it can also tilt up to 135 degrees. This is where the L1 really shines because their new system allows for easy reach to be able to control the different adjustments versus the traditional way, which is having to reach down below to grab the levers and make those adjustments. Let's move on to category 5, which is lumbar support. The P3 Pro has a latch on the back that you can use to adjust the lumbar support, whereas on the L1, it has dynamic follow lumbar support, which doesn't have to be adjusted. It just automatically follows you as you move and adjust to make sure that you're always supported in your lumbar region. Let's move on to other considerations. The P3 Pro has a max recommended weight of 300 pounds, and the L1 has a max recommended weight of 350 pounds. They both come in black and gray. All right, guys, these are my final thoughts. These two chairs are really great, and they definitely both have some really great features, but all in all, I think the L1 really is the star of the show when it comes to these two chairs. I love the dynamic follow lumbar support, which has helped me to keep my back straight and not to slouch as much when I'm working. I love how easy it is to control the adjustments using the wire control mechanism. No more reaching down, trying to find the levers. It's just right at your fingertips. And I love the extra adjustments. The fact that you can adjust the seat depth and the backrest height. Like, I don't see those adjustments on a lot of chairs. So it was great to see that this chair has a lot of extra adjustment options, which really makes it great for any body type. I think whether you're short, whether you're tall, this chair is great for you. It's a really user-friendly ergonomic chair. And I love that it supports an even higher max weight, which just means that it caters to, much larger people as well as regular sized folks. So anyway, guys, this is a really awesome chair. I think it takes the cake in terms of this comparison. And the folks at OdinLake were so gracious as to give me a discount code. So if you guys want to take a look at this chair and pick one up for yourself, you'll get 5% off of your order. and that's not going to last forever, so make sure you jump on that ASAP. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.